Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more.
Hey YouTube family and friends, happy Saturday, y'all. So just left home. I've been up, y'all. As you can see, I made a pasta salad for tomorrow, so that's in the refrigerator. Went outside, took some pictures, and now I came to the nail place. I was headed down to Ross, like I was saying in another vlog, that I might go down to Ross and just see if they have anything in there new. And so I was on the highway, and I said, let me get off and go get my nails done. First I said, I'll just go after I go to Ross, but some just said get off and come to the nail salon. I get here, her husband says she won't be here until 4. So I really should have just kept on going. I hate I even got off the highway. I'd have been almost there. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and introduce the vlog, let y'all know what's going on. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to pull off from here and head on out. I don't have anything to hold my camera up, so I'm just holding you on the mini tripod, so I can't drive like this. So I will call y'all back when I get to the store. All right, this is what I got. She didn't have my 430, but she had a new color, 161. So it's okay, close enough, right? Close enough, right? They look way better than what they were. Hey YouTube family and friends. Look y'all, so look, I hopped back on right quick because I said, I was in the dark in my car. Let me show y'all my nails. It's a new color. I think she said, I told y'all earlier, I think it's 161. I don't know, but it's cute. I like it. Got my nails cut down and got my almond shape back, y'all. Oh man. I took my jewelry off, earrings, all that different stuff. And I was just sitting here watching it's Wani, watching her what's she eating? King lobster boil. So yeah, sitting here watching her, and I was like, let me pick the camera up. I'm cooking right now because I told y'all what I was cooking for my aunt and uncles. I don't even know if I got that on my last vlog. Anyways, cooking for my aunt and uncle's pastor and wife anniversary tomorrow. And so I got the pasta salad done already. I got the turkey legs on right now in the crock pot, and I got 2 pots of string beans and potatoes going right now. So that will be done tonight, later on tonight. The string beans and potatoes don't take a long time, and I already got them seasoned up and everything. Butter, both pots is cooking. It's the crock pot. It's the turkey legs in the crock pot. So if those won't be done, I don't care, because I'll just break the meat off into them tomorrow, and then I'm not making the macaroni and cheese until tomorrow. Those are 3 dishes that I said that I would do when they made their menu. So right here, I got a pot of string beans with all that string beans and potatoes going. Y'all ever go somewhere and they just have, it's like they just take the string beans out the can and put canned potatoes in there with it. They got the other pot going right there. And all the seasonings is down up in here. Y'all can't see because it's so steamy. But anyways, they ain't been cooking that long. But and my turkey legs going. And like I say, pasta salad, I finished that up this morning. So like I say, that'll be done. And once that get done or whatever, I'll break that meat down up in there, and then I won't have to heat that up until it's time to take the food to the church, and that'll be, yeah. But y'all ain't doing nothing. I was outside. It's so hot right now. I'm just Y'all know I love my wine glasses. I'm drinking some water, y'all. Some water. And so, yeah, I was in there watching Nita Daniel do her pixie cut. You know, she was trimming her hair, but relaxed it, and she styled her hair in a pixie cut. So freaking pretty. Been enjoying the vlogs and everything that I've been putting out. I've been having the material and everything, because I do film, but like I say, sometimes my computer will run slow, but by the grace of God, I've been pushing and pressing, you know, and it's been working out for me. Y'all gonna have another video out for tomorrow. Well, I'm saying tomorrow, but y'all to get the video I just said y'all get tomorrow, y'all gonna get on Sunday. This video will probably be Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, so y'all, something I did in a long time was thank y'all. Thank you so much for just staying by my side, and you know, with the continuous love and support of my channel and everything, because y'all know without y'all, the channel ain't, y'all already know, without y'all support, the channel wouldn't be where it's at right now. So I got goals that I'm trying to reach this year with my channel, and I do want to make some changes and stuff. Y'all, I gotta get into my MacBook. When I tell y'all I bought that computer, that laptop, and I ain't really done nothing to it because I ain't that good with no computers like that. Let's just keep it real. And my kids will say, you know, it's just like using your iPhone. It's not. So I said, maybe if I just give me a regular keyboard too, because I can't stand the keyboard that's on there. But, and then I said I needed to, because mine is refurbished, and I do need to call my computer man. They just had their 30th anniversary, so I'm not going to bug them this week. I don't know if they're going on a trip or not, but I know they had an anniversary party yesterday. And so, but I do want to get in contact with him and have him like add some things to my computer for me, some programs and stuff, so that for my editing and my thumbnails and stuff like that, I want to add some stuff to it. Because like my phone is so full, my storage is full, like I can't do the thumbnails like I used to. I can't write nothing on it. I can't write in between my videos when I'm edited, like, because I don't know how to do that on the program that I be using. And then, but it was easier to do it from my phone. So I want that particular program and a couple other ones to be on my computer. And then yeah, like I say, like even with my thumbnails, so that's why y'all only get it's just like you get what you get. You know, I better hurry up and just put that on there. Whatever come up on the YouTube studio, and just put it up there and let it be. But I don't want to do, I want my stuff to be like how it used to be, where I can sometimes title my thumbnails, or you know, have a better picture and stuff like that. But yeah, so anyways, but yeah, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. And yeah, I do want my channel to continue to grow, but I want to continue to try to grow with these vlogs. And I did say, I was on Lori Diva's live last night, and I'm like, talking about, I don't know what she was talking about, eating in the bed at night, like, you know. And I told her, like, I like eating in the bed, watching TV. That's my thing. I do it every day. And so I also said that I want to go live. Y'all know I tried to go live one time. Well, I did it multiple times back to back, but this was probably about 3 years ago. And I didn't know what I was doing, and somebody kept saying they couldn't hear me, and I start all over. And that's like, this is just too much, because I've never been a social media person. My first social media was YouTube, if you want to consider that as social media. And then one of my sons ended up setting up Instagram for me, and you know, it took me a long time to even try to get that together. But yeah, and I said I was going to go on there and try to change up some things on there, on my channel, on my Instagram. And, you know, just start putting more videos and pictures and stuff of what I do at home. I need to get back into that. And go ahead and complete the process with Instagram for the monetization.